There exists a myth that if you go to any Wikipedia article, click on the first link in the article text, not in parentheses or italics, and then repeat, you will eventually end up at philosophy. So let's go to Wikipedia and test this theory and put in something completely random that we don't think would logically lead back to philosophy, like sugar. And we'll click through the first link of each article to see if it leads back. And ta-da! We have ended up at philosophy. It took us exactly 23 clicks to get from sugar to philosophy. We wanted to test this theory and prove whether or not every article on Wikipedia does in fact lead to philosophy, and if so, how many steps it takes to do so. We started by downloading an open, freely available data dump of Wikipedia, which decompressed is about 44 gigabytes. Then through a long, arduous process, thanks to the irregular and unusual formatting of Wikipedia pages, we parsed out all the links per article, using MPI to scatter our articles so many pages could be processed at once. We then used MapReduce to trace each page's path through an iterative step process that took us through first links. We identified pages that eventually led back to themselves, such as Snow Fence and Sand Fence, as well as paths to pages that eventually had no links or were dead ends. The serial version would be literally writing a web crawler to go through each article page by page, which would take an unimaginable amount of time, so we already have awesome speed up. Thinking of links on Wikipedia as a network, the problem can be considered using a MapReduce framework, though it is significantly more complex than the homework problem involving the Marvel superheroes, considering the other possibilities of paths. Our preliminary results indicate that at least 80% of Wikipedia articles will eventually reach philosophy by clicking through the first links. The other 20% leads to pages with dead links or have an infinite loop that eventually lead back to themselves. Even using MapReduce, our code currently takes about 7 hours to run. But how long do you think it would take to go through all 4.4 million articles on Wikipedia, one by one?